Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Christmas gifts is probably one of the most exciting times of the year to find that perfect present for the adult in your life. And this year, we're diving headfirst into the hilarious side of holiday shopping with a curated collection of funny Christmas gifts for adults that are guaranteed to bring the laughs and spread some serious holiday cheer, ensuring your gift giving is memorable for all the right reasons. Number 5. Mermaker Burrito Tortilla Taco Blanket 71 inches. Introducing our giant tortilla throw blanket, designed to look just like a real tortilla. When you wrap yourself up, you'll feel like a cozy burrito, making everyone else want one too. Crafted from high-quality, ultra-soft flannel fabric, this blanket is perfect for snuggling. It's non-fading and lint-free, offering ultimate comfort whether you're on the couch, bed, or on the go. Looking for a fun and unique gift? This novelty blanket is a hilarious choice for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion. It's a guaranteed hit for adults and kids alike. At 71 inches, this blanket is large enough for adults and kids to enjoy. It's versatile enough to be used as a wearable blanket, a sofa throw, or even a picnic mat. Keeping it fresh is simple. Just machine wash on a gentle cycle with cold water and tumble dry on low. It's designed to resist fading and shrinking, ensuring long-lasting fun. We're passionate about creating fun products that bring joy. This blanket is designed to add a touch of humor and warmth to your life, and we think you'll love it. What we like? This giant tortilla blanket offers a realistic design and ultra-soft flannel for ultimate comfort. If you love a good laugh and want to feel like a cozy burrito, this is the perfect gift. It's ideal for anyone who enjoys novelty items and wants to add a touch of humor to their relaxation time. What people say? It's incredibly soft and fluffy, and the quality feels better than I expected. The size is perfect, big enough for two people to snuggle under without fighting for coverage. The print looks surprisingly realistic, which makes it even more fun. Beyond the novelty, it's actually warm and comfortable, especially on colder nights. I also appreciate that it's lightweight without feeling flimsy. The size is just right, it's large enough to completely wrap yourself up like a burrito and stay warm, which makes it even more enjoyable to use. The thickness is okay, not too thick or too thin. Number 4. Katamco The Original Toilet Timer, Classic. Tired of long bathroom breaks? This unique gift, as seen on Shark Tank, sends a clear message. It's a functional sand timer designed to help manage time spent in the bathroom. This sturdy timer runs for approximately 5 minutes, ensuring efficiency. Its unique mechanism allows for easy resetting without any hassle. Looking for a funny and practical gift? It's ideal for Christmas, Father's Day, birthdays, or as a stocking stuffer for the man in your life. Say goodbye to extended bathroom visits. It's time to get off the pot before your legs fall asleep. Simply rotate it 360 degrees to set the timer. It resets instantly, making it incredibly user-friendly. You might have even seen it featured in the movie Please Don't Destroy, The Treasure of Foggy Mountain. What we like? This unique sand timer is designed to help manage bathroom breaks effectively. If you're looking for a practical yet hilarious gag gift that encourages efficiency, this is it. It's perfect for husbands, dads, or boyfriends who might be spending a little too long in the bathroom. What people say? This is a great gift for anyone who loves to laugh. It's a unique and hilarious gift that will surely bring a smile to anyone's face. The quality is surprisingly good for the price, and it's a fun conversation starter. Number 3. DSS Games Drunk Stoned or Stupid Party Game. Get ready for the game that started it all. This is the original viral party game that's guaranteed to bring the laughs. It's the hilarious card game where you and your friends get to call each other out. Prepare for some serious roasting. Simply draw a card, read the prompt aloud, and decide who in your group fits it best. The person with the most cards at the end gets the ultimate roast. Inside this box, you'll find 250 cards filled with wild, relatable, and outrageous situations. It's easy to learn and impossible to stop playing. Looking for a gift? This game makes the perfect present for birthdays, holidays, or just a fun night with friends. It's ideal for ages 17 and up. Whether it's game night, a house party, or a casual get-together, this game is a guaranteed hit. It's perfect for sparking conversations and creating unforgettable memories. What we like? This is the original viral party game that sparks hilarious debates among friends. If you enjoy calling out your buddies and love outrageous prompts, this game is a must-have. It's perfect for game nights, parties, or any gathering where you want to inject some serious laughter and friendly competition. What people say. This game requires very little thought and goes a lot faster. This game can be shockingly enlightening when a group of friends unanimously pick you for something you were completely unaware was a part of your personality. This is definitely a fun game for those who are close in a group or have a group of fun people that can take a funny joke. Number 2. Miracu Funny Cooking Aprons. Introducing the Miracu Funny Cooking Apron, perfect for anyone who loves to cook. It's great for all your culinary adventures, from the kitchen to the barbecue. This apron is designed to keep you clean while you cook. It features 3 deep pockets, perfect for holding all your essential cooking tools. Made from durable, thick cotton, this apron is built for longevity. It's also easy to wash, ensuring it's ready for your next cooking session. Designed for everyone, this apron offers a comfortable fit for both men and women. It comes with adjustable straps for a perfect fit. Looking for a unique gift? This funny apron is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fantastic present for dads, husbands, and anyone who enjoys cooking. What we like? This durable cotton apron features a funny design and ample pockets for all your cooking needs. If you or someone you know loves to cook, grill, or barbecue and appreciates a good laugh, this is the ideal gift. It's perfect for dads, husbands, or anyone who wants to add some humor to their kitchen adventures. What people say. It's a thick material, so it really does keep you clean when you cook. It's been years and he still uses this every barbecue and every holiday. My friend absolutely loves this apron. What a great gift for a grill guy. Beautifully made, it will last a long time. Number 1. Funwares Original 101 Puppies Puzzle. Introducing the Funwares Original 101 Puppies Puzzle. It's not just any puzzle, it's 1,000 pieces of hilarious canine comedy. This is the ultimate gag gift for dog lovers, white elephant parties, or anyone who appreciates a good laugh. It's a gift that's sure to get a reaction. You'll love the premium quality of these pieces. They are thick, with clean cuts and a no-glare finish, ensuring hours of enjoyable puzzling. Prepare for hours of eye-watering fun with this frustratingly funny puzzle. It's perfect for teens, adults, and anyone with a sense of humor. Once completed, it measures 27x19 and includes a color poster guide. You can choose to frame it or keep the memory of the laughter. What we like? This 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle features a hilarious scene of 101 puppies in a comical situation. If you're a dog lover with a sense of humor or looking for a unique white elephant gift, this is it. It's perfect for those who enjoy a challenging yet laugh-out-loud puzzling experience. What people say. This puzzle is a lot of fun for kids and adults too. We took it to a white elephant Christmas party and it was the most sought-after gift. Everyone wanted it. It was great. It's also a high-quality product too. The humor in this puzzle is undeniably clever and amusing. The puzzle's quirky concept and funny illustrations make for a refreshingly entertaining experience compared to more traditional jigsaw puzzles. Assembling the puzzle was a delightful challenge. With 1,000 pieces to put together, it kept me engaged for hours, and the satisfaction of completing it was worth every moment. The pieces are of good quality, fitting together seamlessly, and creating a beautiful finished product that is worthy of display once completed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.